on a few things. The main thing is if you're pre-baking your pie filling beforehand, which kind of tends to be like more of a jam, if you will, or like another classic pie filling, kind of like what you would get at the store out of a can. Or if you're making it completely from scratch, raw fruit going into your pie. If you're making a pie filling that's pre-cooked, then I would par bake your pie crust first, which means you're partially baking that pie shell, then you're adding the pie filling to it, then you're topping it off, and then you're going to bake it. Because your shell is already partially baked, and because the inside of your pie is already partially baked, it shouldn't take too long for the pie itself to actually bake. My guess is it'll probably be about 45 minutes. If you're baking a pie from completely scratch, raw, fresh ingredients, like an apple, you cut them up, they're raw, you just have tossed them in your cinnamon sugar mix, maybe there's a little flour in there, and then you put it into your raw shell that has not been par baked, it's going to take longer. Preferably, this is how I like my pies. And remember, I actually bake my pies usually from frozen. So if you're baking it from a frozen state, it usually takes me about an hour and 20 minutes. If I was baking it straight from, start to finish, the time actually won't be that much different. I would probably check it after an hour just to kind of see what's going on, but don't be surprised if it still takes that full hour and 20 minutes.